NVIDIA really getting hit right now. The stock is down, as you can see. It's really taken a big hit. It's about 6% to the downside. We've got, what, an hour and 5 minutes left in the trading session, so we shall see. Let's bring in Danielle Shay, Simpler Trading VP of Options. Danielle, and you say that there's critical support for NVIDIA about the 118, 120 mark, and we're about there right now. We're in the 120 range, but the stock certainly is getting hit. Actually, I take it back. We're at 117, and this is the stock to watch because there are some that think that NVIDIA is basically peaked out for right now.
Well, the issue here with NVIDIA is that sentiment was just so bullish and everyone wanted this stock to completely crush it. But they've crushed it so many times in a row that it just wasn't really possible for them to continue at that same pace. So what we're seeing today is disappointment. That's exactly what I was expecting in this stock. But at this point, the key here is, can it hold support? We're breaking through that critical support zone at 118. So unfortunately, I think it's probably going to trade a little bit lower. I think, we could trade down into the 100, 110 price point, which is where I'd be a buyer. But I will also tell investors that you should be warned, because at this point, now that sentiment has shifted on this stock, if it breaks 100, it could fall down into the August lows.
All right. Well, look, the August lows were, a lot of people did get in at those points. So we'll see what happens. I want to talk about the rest of the Mag 7. You're most worried, you say right now, about Google, Amazon, and Microsoft. So what are your concerns here?
So when you look at Google, you've had a shift into a bearish trend, and then you also have had a lot of antitrust talk. That is not good. That's something that can weigh on the stock for a long time. So, right here with Google, I think it's a good trade down into about 150. And if it does not hold that 150 support zone, that's where it could really fall. I do own Google and I'm still holding it. And of course, I love Microsoft and Amazon. And I think, those two have the potential to hold, whereas I feel like Google has more of a potential to fall through that support. So with Microsoft and Amazon, they're just hovering on critical support zones right now that could be a great buy. But here's the thing, if Microsoft breaks through 410, 415, and if Amazon breaks through 170, they have a long way that they can fall. So that is my primary concern with these names.
Before you go, I've only got about 40 seconds here, but Lulu is one of the stocks. I was with Kristen Benz earlier, and I said that, one analyst said that it was a disaster. That would be you. Any predictions before we go?
The thing is that nobody's buying these expensive yoga pants right now. Inflation's so high, shop at Costco. So I think even if Lulu does manage to trade higher after earnings, it's in a downward trend, and I have to stick with that downward trend in this stock for right now.
And what about some of those lower price names then? Do you go for the deep discounters?
Yes, look at Gap. The chart on Gap looks fantastic. This company's been beating earnings. You have great deals there. So I like that one. And then, I think Dell as well. Dell has pulled back pretty significantly after it got over the lofty hype. And so I think that one's good down into 100.
Thank you, Danielle. It's great to see you. Kelly O'Grady is in for Liz Clayman. Kelly, good afternoon.
Good afternoon to you. It is so good to see you. For viewers at home, Cheryl and I were always on opposite schedules.